guys, I'm Rachel Medonsa and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all doing today? Oh, it's been like months after I woke up early. Like I woke up early in the morning. Today I woke up at 6 in the morning because I had to go to doctor's clinic and I had to go walk in. So sometimes you can never guess how crowded it will be. So yes, and everything is fine. My wrist was paining really bad from past 2 weeks and it was not getting proper only, so I thought that I should go and show. So he said me there is nothing to worry about, but it's such a nice day. Yesterday was such a horrible day. Oh my god, the wind, there was so much bad wind, so much. Oh, what should I tell you guys? Hamara pura backyard I'm going to show you now. It's messed up. All the garbage is out. All of it is like flown in the wind. The dustbins fell down. It was real bad wind. It was like slapping on your face, you know. It was that bad. But yes, it's 8 in the morning now and I'm already back home. Just walking to my home. It's full guy. But since it's nice and bright and okayish weather, it's not feeling so cold and I am up early, I am planning to go for a walk or a quick little run in the nearby park. Okay, let me breathe first, right? Okay, back. I feel like I used all my energy over there, but yes, since I'm up early, I'm gonna go home, change into my workout stuff and go for a walk. I'll take you guys along, and I thought I'll just start this vlog as well because it's been a long time I didn't shoot. I shoot last for Diwali. So tired, but let me show you guys the mess. Oh, they cleaned the mess, you guys. I'm late and they already kept the dustbins out. I guess today is garbage day. They cleaned everything. Nothing to show you. Let me get home. Oh, this thing is still here. Few things flew inside our place. I have to throw that. Hello guys, so I'm already started my walk. मैंने शॉर्ट्स और जैकेट पहन के आई थी, बट आई शुडंट. मैंने सोचा I'll be walking, so I'll feel hot, then I'll feel sweaty. But this cold is real, you guys. मैंने सोचा मैं बड़ी वैंकूवर आई हूँ, सब लोग तो यहाँ पे बारिश के टाइम पे भी शॉर्ट्स टी शर्ट पहन के जॉगिंग करते हैं, मेरे को कुछ नहीं होगा. बट माई लेग्स आर numb of cold right now, but I'm still trying to finish at least 2000 steps. I might have completed, but I did not wear my watch in the morning, so it's 1200 right now, 800 steps to go. So I'm gonna complete that goal and head back. I can manage. It's not that cold right now. It's okay. My legs are already numb. I can't feel anything. So yes, I'll see you guys when I complete. हेलो गाइज, गुड आफ्टरनून. इट इज़ द नेक्स्ट डे एक्चुअली. कल मैंने फिर कुछ शूट ही नहीं किया. आई गॉट ड्रेस्ड क्यूटली फॉर कॉलेज येस्टरडे. दिस इज़ लाइक द फोटो. लेट मी पुट इट ओवर हियर. तो आई एम ट्राइंग कि मैं कुछ क्यूट से ड्रेस करके जाऊँ कॉलेज, लाइक फॉर विंटर्स, बट आई डोंट नो हाउ लॉन्ग इट विल लास्ट. ओके क्योंकि इट्स लाइक गॉड, मतलब फिर मैं अपने जॉगर्स और स्वेट शर्ट्स में ही आने वाली हूँ जब ज़्यादा ठंडी पड़ जाएगी. बट अंटिल इट लास्ट आई एम गोना लाइक ड्रेस अप क्यूट. एंड दिस इज़ माई, आई स्टिल हैव टू वेयर माई शूज़, बट या दैट्स how I've like dressed up myself and I've like tried a cute little bun also. तो अभी मैं जा रही हूँ शूज़ पहन के कॉलेज, एंड लेट मी सी इफ आई कैन ब्लॉग अ लिटिल बिट इन कॉलेज टुडे. एस्टरडे तो बहुत ज़्यादा लाइक नया टॉपिक वगैरह सिखा रहे थे, तो आई वॉज लाइक टोटली इन टू इट. एंड देन द नेक्स्ट सब्जेक्ट लाइक सेकेंड क्लास तो मेरी पूरा लाइक हेड एक स्टार्ट हो गया था. because I woke up early at 6, right? So out of nowhere one day I just woke up, so I'm not used to it. So I had like a very bad headache. I was feeling so drowsy. So yes, I was like dead after the second class. So I just came home, had my dinner. Did I study yesterday? Yeah, a little bit I worked in on one of the project, some things I did, coding and stuff, and then I slept. And today morning I did one more project जिसका मैं आज evaluation है. The phase 1 of our evaluation is happening today. So yes, that's the update till now. Now let's go to college. Hello guys, it's Sunday morning and I thought I'll give you guys a little life update. I've been busy. The last time I vlogged was, I don't know. This is the next part of the vlog. I thought I'll just stitch it and then continue on this weekend. So yeah, as you see, there is a huge thing that happened. Let me just settle you guys in, because it's gonna be a trouble talking with the hand. Yeah. So I've been yesterday while working, I just cut myself with the knife. So yeah, the blood was not stopping. It was not stopping the bleeding thing. So I had to tightly wrap. Like there was a there's first aid room in the kitchen. So a person who knows first aid came and then he handled everything and then he put this thing. And today morning I just had some first aid kit. So I cleaned the thing and I reapplied the bandage and stuff. Now I'm going for work again, so I'm planning to go and get it changed at the first aid place. So yeah, that is one update which happened yesterday. I don't like it. And apart from that, the last week I had a midterm. I told you about that, right? So I got busy with that and I had this project evaluation stuff and also busy with that. That is, I couldn't vlog for 3-4 days in between. But yes, I'm back today and I'm going to work now. Let's give you this update. Apart from that, I'm also having a very bad wrist pain from past 3 weeks. I somehow have hurt myself at work, I'm sure about it, but I don't remember, and I have a little bit of swelling. I did go to the doctor and show him, as I told you guys already about this, I guess. Oh yeah, I did tell you guys about this. So yeah, but yeah, it's not better, you guys. He told me to come back if it's not better, so let's see what we'll do. I'm applying the ointment, I'm doing this physiotherapy exercises, and the pain is still there. So yeah, I'm working on that. And yeah, that was the updates I had to give you for the past 3-4 days where I was like MIA, but I'm back and I'm gonna go to work right now, finish work and come back. And tomorrow is a holiday because it's Remembrance Day or something, November 11. So yes, I am home, my roommate is home, so we are planning to go out for the evening to just chill and do some window shopping, see what's new for Christmas. The Christmas decor is up, I'm 100% sure. So we're gonna go downtown, so I'm gonna take you guys along as well. But in the morning I'm gonna work on my projects assignments, that's all. And I have a midterm on Wednesday, so I have to work on that too. So yeah, tomorrow morning is for studies and then evening is for chilling. Is to relax and take out all the stress, because I was so anxious yesterday. I couldn't sleep entire night because of the pain. The thing is, to stop the blood, it was so tightly wrapped that I had such bad ache. I literally took a painkiller and it did not stop, and then I realized the bandage is too tight. Then I loosened it in the middle of the night. So it was 3 or 4 in the morning when I actually went to sleep. So yeah, that was a very bad night. So I was very anxious and not feeling well. So I woke up in the morning, did a little bit of chores, and I slept again for an hour. I took a nap, then I had my lunch, and I'm now ready to go to work. That's it. I had to talk to you guys and give an update before I actually be an MIA and stop vlogging again. So yeah, not gonna do that. I want to put up vlogs, so I'm just continuing the last part. I'm gonna take you guys along tomorrow and then see how this vlog ends. Okay. So if you're guessing what I'm doing over here, it is nothing but I initiated that we play Christmas Santa in my class, and I'm making chits of everyone's name so they can anonymously pick out their gifties for the secret Santa game. So yeah. Also, if you get your own name, please put it back.
Yeah. Okay, start.
If you get your own names,
And when we give the presents, we got to describe the person, right?
Like the person can guess who their Santa was.
Are very funny.
No, because how I play is like, for example, I have to give the present. I say, okay, this person is very,
Oh, we can do that.
yeah, very cheerful, likes to cook, likes to dress, is fashionable, you know, has her YouTube channel, fashion. Rachel, yeah. So you have
Yeah,
to
we
guess
can
that.
do that. The thing.
Yeah.
You have a YouTube channel?
Oh my god.
Oh my God.
If it's your own name, put it back. Yeah, if it's your own name, put it back.
Please mix it.
There is only 10 names in this. What to do? I hope you're happy with your name. Like very
If it's
excited.
you put it back.
Yeah, if it's
Yeah.
your name, put it back.
I think so.
You took your own name? Oh, you took yours? Should we keep that? Oh no, I got my own name.
Even I need to check.
Oh, I guess.
Ah.
I don't know which one, where your name is, if you get it again. Oh my god guys, can you see this? It's not even snowing, literally पत्थर गिर रहे हैं आसमान से at this time. मैं सोच रही हूँ इतना हेवी बारिश कैसे हो रहा है, फिर बाहर आके देखा तो it's like oh my god. Yeah, it's not painful, it's not hitting us, but yeah. Wow! हेलो गाइस, आई एम सो सॉरी. ये व्लॉग बहुत दिनों से चल रहा है ऐसे रैंडम डेज का बन के, एंड फाइनली मैंने सोचा कि मैं आज बैठ के ये व्लॉग एडिट कर लूँ, तो उसकी एंडिंग ले रही हूँ मैं. एक्चुअली आज मेरा बस एक मिड टर्म ख़त्म हुआ, तो मेरे सेकेंड मिड टर्म सारे ख़त्म हो गए आज के दिन पे. तो थोड़ा मैं ऐसी हूँ कि अभी और कितना Actually, the next 2 weeks are very busy because these are the last weeks of semester. But yes, just आज एक थोड़ा मिड टर्म ख़त्म हुआ है, तो I was just cleaning and doing all my work. I did not attend my second class after the mid term. मुझे फ्रेजर जाके थोड़ा सामान लेना था, वो सब लिया मैंने. And just now I did the sweeping and mopping of the house. अभी मेरे को कपड़े धोने हैं. If you can see, the bathroom light is on because I'm going to soak my clothes. But yes, before that and before ending the vlog, I thought I'll give you a quick little haul. As you saw in the previous clip, I went to Winners and there is all that Christmas shopping, Christmas decor that I shot. It was just one aisle, you guys, but there was hundreds of aisles there, a lot of things. And they have put extra tables with gift packets and like gift boxes. They have curated different things and stuff. But I there especially went to get my mug. As I told you, I just broke it and I wanted a new one. And there were so many options. I can't even tell you. But yeah, I finally decided on bringing just a simple one for my daily use. And when I was working out with that, I found the ditto same mug that I broke. It is like the same color combination, but it's not in the same shape or size. But I was like so happy. This is such a coincidence. And then here it is. It's a little huge, but it's really like, it was the ditto, the same color combination of the mug that I had that I broke. So I was like, I have to get it. So that is my day-to-day using mug right now. And there is one more thing that I'm gonna do, which will be the next vlog. But because of that, yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, so the other thing I'm gonna do is coming in the next vlog, but for that I had to go to Dollarama to get few things, and there I found this cute little crockery. I actually have a little bit of crack on my bowl as well, which I bought from Dollarama a year ago. Yeah, when I landed over here, I wanted some bowls that I bought that time. So yeah, I thought let me buy one more thing. So this is like that cute bowl. It was having this yellow color design, just attracted me a lot. It was for $3, so I bought this bowl. It will be so nice to have meals in it. Yeah, if I go to crockery section, I'm gonna go mad. I just try to control myself, but then it was needed, so I was like, it's okay. And then I bought one more thing, and it is this. It says like leftover lover. So you can obviously keep your leftovers in it, and it has like the vacuum sealing, and then you open this, and it was so cute. I was like, okay, I need this one, this as well. This was $4.50, so I bought this one. So these are the two crockery pieces that I bought, especially like the food ones only, the bowls, and this one which I bought from Winners, right? And I don't have the tag, but it was $6. It was $5.99. Most of the mugs they were $6.99, $5.99, and some huge ones like the ones in taller size, those were like $12.99, $11.99. But yeah, this is like my cute little crockery haul for you guys. And yeah, I hope my random days vlog, just you guys liked it. Just let me know if you like it. Like, I might do this because now so I can be more regular. I'll finish my exams in 2 more weeks, but after that, again, when I go to my next semester, I might become busy and not vlog as much, but I keep vlogging a little in bits and pieces. So if you like to watch it in this way, just let me know so I can at least post some content. Random days vlog with Rachel. So yeah, I hope you liked watching this vlog, and if you liked watching it, please do like and share. और ऐसे ही मजेदार vlogs देखने के लिए do subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.